Alright, let's get outside. Should be that 20 seconds. Should come out right above that drain pipe there. That's white looking, or silver actually. Drain pipe, that's looking right at Canaveral. I don't see nothing yet. I can hear the TV, it still sounds like it's going. It hasn't blowed up yet. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I should have seen it by now. I see some clouds. Might be quite a ways up where we see anything, but you should see something. I still hear the TV going, we are on our way, so it hasn't blowed up. There it is. Man, that's tiny. That's just a little dot for me. That's it. That is the Terran rocket. Right up there. I still see it. Disappeared behind some clouds, or it shut off, I'm not sure. Could be main engine cut off. I don't see anything else up there. Still nothing. I hear the TV, I think stage 2 did light, but I did not see anything. Oh, maybe I had a hint of something up there. Right there? Yeah, there we go. There we go. There's that plane, it's blinking. I can't pick it up with my naked eye. I don't know. There it is again. I think it's a plane. It's a star. It's definitely a plane.